Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. Today I'm proud to be showcasing 2105 48th Avenue here in Oakland, California. This is a top floor apartment, and we're just walking up the stairs right now. There is parking along with this, and there's a backyard which you'll see pictures of on the website. But let's go in. Again, this is a top floor apartment, and we are greeted by a nice big living room with luxury vinyl flooring. Lots of light coming in to the apartment. Big windows, window treatments. These are tile floors. And a countertop. Oversized refrigerator, so you can put lots of food in. Nice big sink. And 4-burner range and microwave. Lots of cabinetry space. And of course here you can have a perfect location for, a little dining room table to eat. Recessed lighting. Have central heat. The gas heater right there. And here we are at the bathroom. Really spacious. Lots of room to move around. Big vanity. Tub shower combination. And very tall ceilings. This is for an apartment. Nice big tall ceilings with good closet space. Here you have more storage options to choose from. I don't know if you heard that sticking from the paint. They just recently painted, so which is wonderful. It definitely has that fresh smell to it. Here we are is one of the bedrooms. This one has a big walk-in closet and a little dressing area right here, which is super nice. Going down across the hall here, we are then going to the second bedroom. And again, nice big walk-in closet that you see right here. So 2 really great walk-in closets in each of the bedrooms for lots of storage options. This property is available right now. Currently it's March of 2021 as I film this. So give us a call. There's a link to our website in this video that you can see all our rentals, including this one. And we look forward to seeing you. Again, look for the pictures. We'll have pictures of the backyard as well as the parking area. All right, cheers, bye-bye.